today's video where we're looking at the Panasonic DMW-SFU1GU. That's hard to say in one go. So basically this is an add-on for Vlog for the GH4, GH5, G9, FZ2000 and the FZ2050. So I'm going to open it up and see what we get in the pack. Basically it comes in a cardboard box, nothing special. You think they would have packed it a bit better than they have, but this is what you get. I'm not expecting much inside, so let's have a look and see what we actually get inside. So basically we get an instruction manual, and how to set it up. I'll be doing that later in the video and showing you how to set it up and activating the codes. So basically this is it. This is what you're paying for. A glorified plastic bag, a black bag as well with a void label. That means I've just voided the label. Let's hope there's something inside here because it's void. And there we have the code. So I'll be activating that right now. Okay, now we're going to export the serial number from the camera to the SD card. So let's go. So go down to the little spanner, which is the settings, and go, I think it's the third page. So this is the first page, second page, keep going down, and here it is, just underneath version display, activate and export serial. You can also import, which is we'll do later, but we'll go to export serial code and click to start process, and there it's completed. And we just need to take that SD card and place it in a computer and activate it via the Panasonic website. So let's go and do that right now. So you need to make your way to the Panasonic website, and I will leave this address in the video below. And you need to pick which activation you're using. We're using the GH5, so we'll be picking the first box here. And we'll wait for this to load, and this is where before we just saved the serial code to the SD card. We need to choose the file. Private again, and this is where we had the serial as you seen in the video before. So this is all ready to go out, and there. Need to upload that and enter the key code. Let's see if we can get this right the first time. So we need to pay attention to the capitals, and we've got to input the key code without hyphens and make sure the I's and the ones aren't the same. So there we're going in and we're entering it. Oh, this is fun. Let's just check that I got that all right. Would be funny if I use somebody else's code. Accident. And there we have the key code, and we have to save that to the memory card. So where do I save this? Now that you're ready for creating an activation code, please make sure that the memory card is inserted into the PC. Activation code is saved as a .lst file in the folder private. So say there's a memory card, and there we go. And place that into, yep, that's saved. And let's go back to the camera and see if we got this all right. So the SD card's inserted into the camera, and let's go to the menu and sort this out. So activation, import activation code, start process, yes. So we've got to turn the power off and on again. Right, so we'll switch the camera back on now. And that should be activated. So if we press the F2 key, that should take us into the quick menu. And if we just scan along, sorry about that, there we go down. Just move it all the way along to Vlog L, and there we have it. Should be a little box here saying Mon Vlog L, HDMI Vlog L. So you should be able to monitor it on here and send it out to an HDMI cable to an external monitor. So that's all you have to do to set up the GH5 for Vlog L. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.